Got this foldable hand truck from Stanley. Now this is the Stair version with the 3 wheels on it. That's dead easy to manoeuvre heavy products, heavy goods upstairs. Now this is foldable. You'll see here, dead easy to put it out. It's just handle up there with a press of a button. Pull out the platform, it brings out your wheels as well. These are heavy duty wheels. This is going to carry up to 60 kilos and it only weighs 4.9 kilos to carry, so it's a dead easy product to store. It comes with the bungee cord, which you get various tether points across the product. Easy to let down as well, just press that button there, down goes the handle, pull in the platform and away you go.